Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a depth effect to your wallpaper on the iPhone 17. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a wallpaper depth effect. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's hop into our photos and then find a photo which you want to go ahead and use as your wallpaper. So I'll take this photo here, for example. Next, click on the bottom left-hand corner where you see the share icon. Then go ahead and scroll down and then click on use as wallpaper. Now on this page here, towards the right side, you're going to see a three dots. Next to that, click on the generating spatial scene option. And this is going to create a spatial scene or depth effect. So you can turn it on or turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create a depth effect to a wallpaper on your iPhone 17. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.